So super exciting. In the next day, not tomorrow but the next day, I'm gonna go on a camping trip with my best friend and we're gonna go kayaking through the pictured rocks. It's gonna be super fun. I'm gonna be sleeping in a car for 2 nights. And today I just went and got some things that I needed, some food, just some camping supplies. So I want to show you that before I actually go on the trip. Alright, so this is majority of the food other than what's in the fridge. I have 2 meals planned for both the nights that we're staying, and then got some snacks right here, and then breakfast. So when it came to meals, I wanted to try and bring all dry food or canned food because it's just easier to pack and there'd be less waste. So one of the nights we can have pizza. I got some cheese in the fridge, and then this canned tomato sauce, and then I got some beans for tacos. I'm a vegetarian, so I don't eat any taco meat, so I put black beans, corn. Cilantro is one of the key ingredients, so I mixed that in with the corn. Got some rice, and then there's some pico de gallo in the fridge. Here I got some s'mores supplies. Underneath this pot is just a pan that I plan on just putting the pizzas on, and then I'll cook everything for the tacos in here. I also just randomly bought this word search. I wanted to get a word search and then it just so happened to be Taylor Swift, so I'm not mad. We'll definitely bring this on the trip and also just use it whenever I'm bored. Alright, and I just opened this pack grill. Look at this cutesy little thing. Hopefully all goes well and I can fit it over the fire. I plan on using that and then putting the pot and then the pan for the pizza over it. Okay, so when it comes to setting up the beds, I want to make sure that we're as comfortable as possible. And my brother has gone on a few camping trips before, so he already has these sleeping pads. So one for me, one for my friend. And I just scrounged our storage room for some pillows and pillowcases that are kind of crappy. And then I have a sheet. I found some blankets. Definitely gonna need some more of them. I'm not going to show you any of like my toiletries, not going to bore you with that. It's just the basics, you know. Oh, and yeah, paper towel. Paper towel, definitely need some of that. Alright, so other than my toiletries and clothes and swimsuits and stuff like that, that is all I plan on packing. So now I'm going to cue the montage of the super fun trip. Whoop whoop.